In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install ClickUp for Windows. We'll walk through the process from inside your ClickUp account all the way to opening the desktop app and signing in. This is a simple setup, and as long as you follow along carefully, you should have ClickUp installed on your Windows computer in just a few minutes. To begin, open ClickUp and look to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it to open your account menu. This menu gives you access to several account-related options, including the desktop app download. Once the account menu is open, find and click the option labeled Download ClickUp. This will take you to the official ClickUp download page where you can choose the version that matches your device. On the download page, look for the Windows option and click Download for Windows. Make sure you select the Windows version specifically, since ClickUp also offers downloads for other platforms. After that, you'll be taken to the Microsoft Store page for ClickUp. On this page, click Download to begin getting the installer. Depending on your browser or system settings, this may take a few moments, so give it a little time if needed. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and locate the file named clickupinstaller.exe. This is the installation file you'll use to set up the desktop app on your computer. Double-click it to open the installer. At this point, Windows may show you a security prompt asking for confirmation before the app runs. When that appears, click Run to continue. This is a normal part of installing software on Windows and helps make sure you want to proceed. Now let the installer do its job. The installation process usually only takes a short time. During this step, it's best to wait until everything finishes completely so the app installs properly without interruption. Once the installation is done, go ahead and launch the ClickUp Desktop app. It should open like any other Windows application and bring you to the sign-in screen. Finally, sign in using your ClickUp account credentials. After logging in, you'll be able to access your workspace directly from the desktop app, which can make it easier to stay organized and keep your tasks within reach. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed ClickUp for Windows. Thanks for watching.